Did you know that there are hundreds of aloe plants, but only one of them is packed with health benefits? In today's video, we'll talk about aloe vera and its incredible health benefits. Welcome to Natural Cures channel. We are the oldest and largest YouTube channel about natural remedies and healthy lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on our latest videos. Aloe vera, a popular medicinal plant, is known for its antioxidant and antibacterial properties. It has a wide range of health benefits, including skin health. Aloe vera can be applied topically to the skin to help with various skin conditions. For instance, you can apply aloe vera gel directly to the affected area to help reduce acne and skin inflammation. To help with skin injuries, you can apply aloe vera gel to the wound to speed up the healing process. For general skin health, you can incorporate aloe vera into your skincare routine by using products that contain aloe vera, such as moisturizers and face masks. Dental health. Aloe vera can be used in various ways to improve dental health. You can use aloe vera tooth gel, which is effective in controlling bacteria that cause cavities. It's less harsh on teeth compared to regular toothpaste, making it a good alternative for people with sensitive teeth. Additionally, mouth rinses containing aloe vera can help reduce gingivitis and plaque accumulation. Digestive health. Aloe vera juice can be consumed to help with digestive issues. It can be used as a tonic for the digestive system to soothe the stomach and relieve intestinal discomfort. It can also help with constipation by increasing the water content in your intestines, stimulating peristalsis, and helping you pass stool normally. Blood sugar management. Aloe vera can be consumed in the form of juice or supplements to help manage blood sugar levels. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, as the dosage and form of aloe vera can vary. Nutrient-rich. Aloe vera juice is packed with nutrients. It contains important vitamins and minerals like vitamins B, C, E, and folic acid. It also contains small amounts of calcium and magnesium. Interestingly, aloe vera is one of the only plant sources of vitamin B12, making it a valuable resource for vegetarians and vegans. Antioxidant properties. Aloe vera juice is a rich source of antioxidants which help fight free radicals. This lowers oxidative stress on your body and reduces the risk of chronic conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Weight loss. Oral use of aloe is promoted for weight loss, although more research is needed to confirm this benefit. Aloe vera can be consumed in various ways, depending on your preference and the health benefits you're seeking. It's generally safe to eat the gel inside the aloe vera leaf, as well as the skin. Wash the skin or gel thoroughly to remove traces of latex, which can have unpleasant and potentially harmful side effects. Here are some methods. Aloe vera juice. You can make aloe vera juice by extracting the gel from the aloe vera leaf and adding it to water. This can be consumed as a refreshing beverage. To make the juice, take an aloe vera spike from a plant and trim the pointed edges off of the sides. Then carefully slice off the skin on the flat side of the leaf and remove the gel from inside. This gel is the edible part of the plant. Make sure you remove all traces of the latex and skin from the plant, as it adds a bitter, unpleasant flavor. You can rinse the gel under running water to help remove all traces of it. Incorporating into meals. Aloe vera can be added to salads, salsas, or smoothies for an extra crunch or nutrient boost. You can cut the gel into cubes and rinse them to wash away any dirt or the bitter latex, which is the yellow residue you may see. You can eat the aloe chunks raw or use a gentle cooking method like poaching, blanching, or steaming. Cooking aloe vera meat makes it release more water and gives it a milder taste. Aloe vera supplements. Aloe vera is also available in capsule or liquid form, which can be taken internally to promote health and well-being. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, as the dosage and form of aloe vera can vary. Did you enjoy learning more about the uses and benefits of aloe vera? How about sharing this video with the people you care about? Aloe vera can also work wonders on your skin. To learn more about aloe vera incredible skin benefits, click on the video above.